Hello, ma'am. Good
Hi,
evening.
good evening. How are you?
How are
So
you doing, Agent?
I'm doing great. And what about you?
We are also doing great. Thanks for asking us.
Okay,
So,
okay.
as we are
You
going
also
fast,
you
so
yeah, yeah,
introduce your fast.
yeah, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to introduce myself for your viewers and for you. I'm Shivani. I'm connecting you from UP, District Pratapgarh. And if I talk about my qualification, I'm a Master of Art with English Literature. I have passed teacher edu test. Now I'm preparing for Super TET. I'm a teacher by profession. I'm running my own coaching as well as YouTube channel. That's name is Start of English Classes by Shivani. Maybe you know very well. And I have been a dedicated as well as an honest teacher since 2015. Nowadays I am having conversation to develop my personality as well as to have a good command over English. That's all about me.
Wow, nice introduce.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, thank you very much, ma'am, for giving me opportunity to tell about myself. This is Maliha Binte Masud. I study in 7th standard, and there are 4 members in my family. They're my parents, my brother, and me. My parents both are educated person. My father is a professor and my mother is a teacher. As you can see beside me, my brother, and his name is Muaz bin Masud. We are siblings as well as we are twins, and we are from Bangladesh. I think that is it about myself.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. I'm very happy that you brother and sister both are working well and you both are doing great effort. That's great.
Thank you so much. So, ma'am, could you please tell us that how long have you been using this language?
Yeah, I have been using this language for the last 8 years. When I was in class 12th, then I started teaching. So that you can say that 8 year has been.
So, do you have any partner to speak in English?
Yeah, my means in my family, my all brother are teacher, so I can talk to my brother, and I have a student to talk, and I talk to my students in coaching in English, and in my family members, I talk to my brother. So you can say I have environment of English. I talk to my brother and students.
Okay. So, which state are you from, ma'am?
I'm from India. I'm from India and UP,
Oh,
UP,
UP.
UP, UP.
Yes, Uttar
Yes,
Pradesh.
we have heard this name.
Yes, yes.
So, ma'am, why are you speaking in English? Do you need this language in your daily?
Yeah, as you know very well that English is very important in this era, and English is demanded of this era. And if we have knowledge to speak English, if we can talk to anyone in English, then we can connect to any person at the corner of anywhere. As you are from Bangladesh and I'm from UP, and my mother tongue is Hindi and yours is different. So if I will speak Hindi, then you can't understand. But English, by English, we are connecting to each other. We are understanding to each other. We are sharing our emotions. So this, it is possible with the English. So English is very important, and now all the students are reading in English medium school, and everybody want to speak English. So if we will not have good knowledge of English, then in future we will feel illiterate. Even we are BA, MA or anything, but if we don't know English, then we will feel that we are illiterate. That's all.
How long have you been learning this language?
I have been in the touch of this language for the last 8 years. As when I was a student, then I read in class 12th, and after that in BA I take English, and in MA I take English. So since childhood I'm reading English, but if we talk about conversation about speaking English, spoken English, then in from 2015 means I have been using English language since 2015.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, if you have any
Okay.
question, you can ask us.
Yeah, tell me something about yourself that what do you like most? What is your favorite work? And what is the reason behind that you both brother and sister have conversation and you both are working at the same platform at the same thing? that is the goal of both is equal, is same or not?
Yes, actually, to be honest, my future plan, my goal is to become to go to abroad. Also, I want to become an engineer.
Okay. And
And
you?
my goals is two. First one is that I also like to go to abroad, and second one is that in future I will become a doctor.
That's great. And any spur doctor as a heart, eye?
And this reason behind it that why we are learning this language.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Because for becoming a doctor, English is very important.
Okay.
Okay. That tell me something about you. That whom do you love most in your family?
Sorry.
What did you say?
Whom do you love in your family? Whom do you love most in your family?
Actually, we are not getting your word. Something is.
Okay. Getting- Are you getting my voice
No, we are not getting you clearly.
clearly? Then maybe some network issue. I don't understand. Okay, why have you started your YouTube channel? What is the intention behind this?
Yes, yes, actually, to be honest, yeah, we have been actually learning this language for 5 months, and in that time, our father motivated us to learn this language, also to create a YouTube channel and upload video. And nowadays we are upload. Recently, we are uploading English conversational video, and it is really helping us very much to improve quickly. You know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's great. Okay, how is your experience about YouTube?
Before actually creating YouTube, I have watched a lot of videos. So in that time, I actually didn't realize that and how to actually control, how to manage a YouTube channel. But nowadays, I can say that yes, sometimes first it becomes difficult, but sometimes it actually becomes so easy. Actually, it depends on social media network. So actually, video get more views anytime.
Yeah, yeah. That in starting we face problem, but gradually we learn everything about that.
Do you have any YouTube channel as well?
Yeah, yeah. I told as Startup English Classes by Shivani is my YouTube channel. Startup English Classes by Shivani. Yeah, this is my channel. 1 year has been completed.
Okay, great, great. So please also ask my sister some question.
Yeah, okay. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
It's science. Okay. And who is your favorite teacher?
Sorry, it's really a difficult question to me. I won't share it.
Okay, you can't share. You have, but you can't share. Right.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Then what to ask that how is yeah.
Actually, ma'am, could you please tell us that what do you do every day to improve your spoken English?
Yeah, if honestly, I will tell that I don't do anything because I'm very easy. Sorry, I'm very busy. I don't get time for that for myself because from morning to evening my classes and in evening time I'm free, so I have conversation like this. So you can say that for improving my English, I always talk to my students in English and I have conversation like this and I teach grammar. By this I improve my English. But if you talk about something special, so I don't get time. Only on Sunday I do something special for that. Except this I'm very easy as honor of an institute and I teach 9, 10th, 11th, 12th academic. So I'm very busy, so I don't get time to think something new to improve that. Whatever knowledge I have, I try to polish that.
Yes, we are
So,
also as well that as we are a student, so most of the time we are very busy with our studies. So it is very sometimes it becomes so difficult to actually manage our YouTube channel as well as to actually learn English more thing every day.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can understand because Now students first go to school, and after that coaching, tuition, and then they don't from the morning 7 or 8 a.m. they are busy in the evening 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. like this. So, but that's great that you are managing and you are doing. That's really great because beside your studies you are doing this. So that's amazing.
Thank you.
So, ma'am, I would like to tell you that your speak English is very incredible. So, give us some suggestions so that we can improve our spoken English.
Yeah, that only practice that whatever knowledge you have, try to speak English and always. And now you are one of the luckiest that you have environment, you have partner, your brother. Now you can talk to your brother 24 hours. That take oath that I will not talk in Hindi. 24 in school, in coaching, in tuition, everywhere I will talk to him in English because you have environment. And the more you will speak English, the more you will be perfect in that. So practice is very important, and try to have good knowledge of grammar also and vocab also. Try to some idioms and phrases, the vocab. So gradually use that, and then you will be master of that.
Yes,
Okay.
I'm always try to practice more and more.
Yes, yes, practice, as you must have heard that practice makes man perfect. Yeah,
Yes,
gradually. And
right.
you can check yourself when you were in first day and today there is a great difference. You must see that, see your first video and see today's videos, then you will get a great difference because of practice. And after 4 months when you will see this video, then you will get great difference also because that will more experience and more practice. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
you are right.
So, ma'am, where are you right now? At your home or other place?
No, no, I am at my home at this time right now in my room where I teach, where I shoot video in my office or room, you can say.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. It was a very nice conversation with you, and I'm very happy to connect with you because you both brother and sister are doing really unique thing. So that's very great. My wishes is always with you that bright like a star, and always achieve whatever you want to achieve. May God bless you and may God fulfill your all desires, your all dreams turn into reality. My wishes is always with you all.
And we also feel pride that we are connecting with you, and we are so glad.
Okay. Okay. Now I think we should wrap up this session.
Sure, and thank you very much, ma'am, for joining with us and giving your valuable time.
Okay. Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
You
Bye.
too.